The Program for Advanced Materials and Substances of Emerging Environmental Concern, or AMSEEC, is an enterprise-level, multi-laboratory collaborative of the U.S. Army Engineer Research and Development Center focused on developing timely, proactive responses to emerging environmental issues related to the development and/or application of advanced materials or other substances, and delivery of cost-effective, comprehensive solutions. Substances and materials of emerging environmental concern are characterized by a perceived or real threat to human health or the environment. These materials have new or changing toxicity values, new or changing human health and/or environmental regulatory standards. Environmental concerns may also emerge due to the development and application of new materials or new applications of existing materials or substances and the resulting potential for environmental and/or human health impacts.
AMSEEC harnesses over 40 years of capabilities and expertise that ERDC brings to the table. In addition, it facilitates the organization required to bring together multidisciplinary teams to address the issues required for the assessment and management of emerging contaminants and advanced materials.
Our program is organized along 5 pillars of expertise: analysis, effects assessment, exposure assessment, risk assessment and management, and data analytics and information management. Our analysis pillar of expertise looks at the detection and measurement of substances in the environment, and this can look at various media including the air, sediment, water, and tissue. This includes the development and refinement of analytical methods, as well as the development of field sensors that can be deployed for various situations. Effects is all about how an organism is impacted by a substance. So this includes toxicity testing, such as bioassays to compare the sensitivity of different species. This also includes looking at things such as the mode of action and adverse outcome pathways, so how effects on a cellular or chemical level can be scaled up to an organism or population level. The exposure pillar deals with how a substance moves through the environment and comes into contact with organisms. So there's a lot of modeling involved with this pillar, and we look at things such as bioaccumulation and also physical chemical properties of a substance, and biomagnification, which is how a substance can move through the food chain to different levels. This pillar also involves modeling the fate and transport of substances in the environment. The risk pillar involves characterizing the potential environmental harm of a substance, and this includes working on solutions that can reduce the exposure of an organism to a contaminant and thereby reduce the risk that contaminant poses to them. The data analytics and information management pillar involves archiving and compiling data in order to form models and tools that can be used to better characterize risk. It also involves using technology such as machine learning and high-performance computing to better understand and visualize data.
In addition to depth of expertise, the ERDC has state-of-the-art facilities to conduct research, development, testing, and evaluation. With its 7 laboratories and active collaborative partnerships with academic and private institutions, as well as other federal research facilities, the ERDC is uniquely positioned to resolve the complex issues facing the nation. A key ERDC strength is the ability to develop and manage collaborative, multidisciplinary project teams to execute full-spectrum R&D efforts for rapid and cost-effective resolution of real environmental issues.